Alrighty, so now I'm gonna test out the Beta 300 RR, RR 300 here. And I come off of a 300, as some of you guys know, a KTM 300 XCW, so that's what they kind of recommended for us to sort of start with. Oh shit, I missed that level. And yeah, we'll try it out. Oh yeah, yeah. And I feel a bit comfortable, a little more comfortable already, just being a two-stroke. Similar feeling to mine. Yeah, bike feels really good, great actually. It feels a little bit heavier on the front end, kind of like the 4-stroke, but it actually tracks really, really nice in the woods.
You can still lug this bike.
Do you like that?
Yeah, you can still lug it. Right?
Yeah.
Even in the fun mode. I had it like I just left it in third and just to see how I could lug it through those boggy areas.
Yeah.
And it still goes.
Really, eh?
And it just feels like. Does that one feel like too much bigger? But
this one feels, yeah. This one feels like bulky.
yeah.
It actually feels a lot like the 4-stroke on the front end, especially. Whew. Sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna try this hill twice. I'm gonna try it without
In the sun mode.
And then without, and see. I'm kind of curious about that. All right, so we're gonna try this hill, and there's a kind of a traction control switch just right here. There's a sun mode and a rain, and apparently it makes really quite the difference. So I'm gonna try this little hill here in my sun mode, and just sort of feel the difference. So yeah, the bike feels great. Feels a little bit heavier on the front end in comparison to my KTM 300, but it yeah, it tracks really nicely through the woods, and feels great. Tons of power. So I'm gonna try this hill now in the rain mode. We're in second gear, and we'll see if we can feel a difference here. Wow, can you ever notice that? So you can tell it obviously it's just cutting the horsepower. The guy said about 5 to 8, but it sure helps, and you could see if it was really slick and slippery how that would help out. Cool. That's really cool actually. I don't really notice the difference on my 300 personally when I flip my switch, but this I really could tell. That's great.